The Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 mobile platform is unlocking 5G connectivity for more people worldwide than ever before. This platform is smarter and faster than its predecessor, packing remarkable on-device AI and vibrant entertainment experiences. The Snapdragon X51. We've collaborated with ArcSoft Solutions on this demonstration featuring AI Super Night to take spectacular pictures of nighttime skylines or various dark spectrum sharing. Plus, it supports global roaming and global multi-SIM. In addition to 5G connectivity, Snapdragon 690 is bringing many of the best mobile experiences to an accessible new class of smartphones. Truly secure Sound ID, which identifies common and critical sounds within the home. This app employs Sensory's groundbreaking deep learning approach to provide a private on-house AI single-cam video bokeh advanced portrait engine. Loom AI is leveraging our 5th generation Qualcomm AI engine